Empire Today takes the guesswork out of knowing how much new floors will cost. We make it easy by providing you an all-inclusive price estimate with no hidden fees during your in-home appointment. We've installed floors in the homes of more than 3 million satisfied customers, and no two jobs have been alike. Let me break it down for you. It starts during your in-home appointment, when a flooring professional accurately measures your rooms and considers all the work that needs to be done for your custom installation. Things like where carpet seams meet, wall angles, closets and hallways, the dimensions of the specific flooring being installed, how floors transition between rooms, and much more. Then, a flooring professional will provide you with an all-inclusive price estimate that includes moving your furniture, removal and haul away of your old flooring, your new floors, padding and underlayment, thresholds and trim moldings, professional installation, moving your furniture back, and even cleanup. One simple price for everything you need to complete your project. Be wary of any price you may receive in-store, online, or over the phone. Without someone visiting your home and understanding everything you need, those estimates are a little better than a guess. Empire believes getting new floors should be easy. No guessing at price, no hidden fees. Just straightforward pricing so you know what you're really going to spend. All-inclusive pricing. That's Empire Today.